Dear students, this is the third video on factorization. In this video, we do factorization of trinomials. A trinomial means a polynomial having three terms. The standard form of trinomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are real numbers. Here we have the steps to factorize a trinomial. Step 1. Split b, the coefficient of x, into two real numbers such that the sum of these two numbers is b and their product is ac. In this step, we have to find two numbers. When we add them, we should get b, and when we multiply, we should get ac. And then split b into those two numbers. Step 2. Factorize by grouping method. After splitting the middle term into two terms, we can easily apply the grouping method of factorization. Let us go through an example. Factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. Here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6, and ac is equal to 1 into 6, that is also equal to 6. Now, you have to split b. We know that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, we can split 5 into 3 and 2. Hence, the polynomial can be written as x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Note down the step here. 5x is split into 3x plus 2x. Now we have to apply the grouping method here. X square plus 3x in one group, 2x plus 6 in another group. In the first group, we have x as the common factor, and in the second group, we have 2 as the common factor. By taking out the common factors, we have x into x plus 3 plus 2 into x plus 3. Now, x plus 3 is common to both the groups. That is, the polynomial can be written as x plus 3 into x plus 2. That is, the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6 are x plus 3 and x plus 2. Now, let us solve some questions based on this method. Factorize y square plus 7y minus 18. Here we have b is equal to 7 and ac is equal to 1 into minus 18, that is minus 18. Now we have to split b. For that, we have 9 plus minus 2 is equal to 7 and 9 into minus 2 is equal to minus 18. So we got two numbers to which we can split b. They are 9 and minus 2. Now the polynomial can be written as y square plus 9y minus 2y minus 18. 7y is split into 9y minus 2y. Now we have to apply the grouping method. That is equal to y square plus 9y minus 2y minus 18. Split them into two groups. Y square plus 9y in one group and minus 2y minus 18 in another group. Now we have to take out the common factors from each group. By taking out the common factors, we have y into y plus 9 minus 2 into y plus 9. Now y plus 9 is common to both the groups. That is y plus 9 into y minus 2. And they are the factors of y square plus 7y minus 18. Next question. 5 minus 4x minus 12x square. Here we have b is equal to minus 4 and ac is equal to minus 60. We have to note down b is always the coefficient of x. Now we have to split minus 4. For that we have minus 10 plus 6 is equal to minus 4 and minus 10 into 6 is equal to minus 60. So we have split b into minus 10 plus 6. Now we can write the polynomial as follows. 5 minus 4x minus 12x square is equal to 5 minus 10x plus 6x minus 12x square. Now by applying the grouping method, 5 minus 10x in one group and 6x minus 12x square in another group. By taking out the common factor from each group, we get 5 into 1 minus 2x plus 6x into 1 minus 2x. Now 1 minus 2x is common to both the groups. So that is equal to 1 minus 2x into 5 plus 6x. Next question. Factorize 4 minus x whole square minus 2x. Here we have to expand 4 minus x whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So it can be written as 16 minus 8x plus x square minus 2x. Now by simplifying, we get x square minus 10x plus 16. Now we have to factorize x square minus 10x plus 16. It is a trinomial. Here we have b is equal to minus 10 and ac is equal to 16. We know that minus 8 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 10 and minus 8 into minus 2 is equal to 16. Therefore, we can split b into minus 8 plus minus 2. Hence, our polynomial can be written as x square minus 8x minus 2x plus 16. Here minus 10x is split into minus 8x minus 2x. Now, grouping the terms, we have x square minus 8x in one group and minus 2x plus 16 in another group. Now in the first group we have x as the common factor and in the last group we have minus 2 as a common factor. By taking out the common factors, we get x into x minus 8 minus 2 into x minus 8. Now here x minus 8 is common to both the groups. So by taking out x minus 8, we get x minus 8 into x minus 2. Another question. Factorize x square y square minus 8xy minus 48. b is equal to minus 8 and ac is equal to minus 48. Now minus 12 plus 4 is equal to minus 8 and minus 12 into 4 is equal to minus 48. So we have to split into minus 12 plus 4. Therefore, the polynomial can be written as x square y square minus 8xy minus 48 is equal to x square y square minus 12xy plus 4xy is minus 48. Minus 8xy is split into minus 12xy plus 4xy. Now grouping, we get x square y square minus 12xy in one group and 4xy minus 48 in another group. In the first group we have xy as a common factor and in the second group we have 4 as a common factor. Therefore, it is equal to xy into xy minus 12 plus 4 into xy minus 12. Now, we can see xy minus 12 is common to both the groups. Therefore, it is equal to xy minus 12 into xy plus 4. They are the factors of x square y square. Another question, factorize 1 minus 2a minus 2b minus 3 into a plus b whole square. It doesn't look like a trinomial because it has many terms. But by simplifying, we can bring it into a trinomial. In minus 2a and minus 2b, we have minus 2 as common factor. By taking out it, we can get the polynomial as 1 minus 2 into a plus b minus 3 into a plus b whole square. Now, instead of a variable, we have two variables. The sum of two variables, that is a plus b. Therefore, we have to take a third variable, that is let a plus b be x. Now, the polynomial can be written as 1 minus 2x minus 3x square. Instead of a plus b, we write x here. Now we have the polynomial in the variable x. We have to factorize it. Here we split minus 2x into two terms, that is minus 3x plus x. Now by grouping, we get 1 minus 3x in one group and x minus 3x square in another group. In the first group, we have 1 as a common factor. In the last group, we have x as the common factor. By taking out the common factors from each group, we get 1 into 1 minus 3x plus x into 1 minus 3x. Now, by taking out 1 minus 3x from both the groups, we get 1 minus 3x into 1 plus x. Now, we have these factors in terms of x, but we need in terms of a plus b. Therefore, we have to substitute the value of x. Substituting the value of x as a plus b, we get the factors of given polynomial are 1 minus 3 into a plus b into 1 plus a plus b. By simplifying it, we can write it as 1 minus 2a minus 2b minus 3 into a plus b whole square is equal to 1 minus 3a minus 3b into 1 plus a plus b.